Meet a Need is our group volunteering program. In 1 year, we have 2 trips. One is Meet a Social Need, and another one is Meet a Green Need. Meet a Social Need is like to support the community and also make a better life for people in need. And Meet a Green Need is for conservation and wildlife protection.
Ya, kegiatan Meet a Green Need di Waikambas ini adalah kegiatan WCS mendukung Taman Nasional Waikambas itu pada ruang lingkup awareness. Kebetulan hari ini adalah mengenalkan tentang konservasi, kemudian pemulihan ekosistem. Dan kemarin itu kita juga sudah melakukan kegiatan pembangunan pondok itu mendukung Waikambas dalam ruang lingkup terkait dengan mitigasi konflik gajah dengan manusia. Selama kegiatan 5 hari ini di Waikambas, itu dimulai dari hari pertama itu adalah membantu masyarakat dalam membangun pondok untuk mitigasi konflik gajah, tapi bagi masyarakat itu mendukung upaya mitigasi mengamankan tanaman dari gangguan gajah. Kemudian di hari kedua itu adalah pembuatan nursery dan juga pembibitan perawatan bibit tanaman, karena kebetulan di ini adalah area rehabilitasi yang memang perlu dipulihkan dan kita butuh bibit tanaman untuk kegiatan menanam. Kemudian di hari ketiga kita membangun menara pantau dan di lokasi restorasi juga, karena ini adalah wilayah yang hampir 2 bulan, 3 bulan sekali ini terjadi kebakaran hutan dan kita pulihkan, dan kita butuh menara pantau untuk melakukan pemantauan kegiatan restorasi di sini. Kemudian di hari keempat kemarin kita melakukan finishing terkait dengan pondok yang akan digunakan oleh masyarakat. Ada 2 lokasi, itu pondok HEC I+ dan juga pondok HEC di Serindi yang nanti akan digunakan oleh kelompok masyarakat, ada KPPH dan juga oleh KTH, Warna Jaya Asri dan Warna Lestari. Dan ini sangat bermanfaat bagi masyarakat karena memang selama ini masyarakat kalau melakukan penjagaan itu tidak ada pondok. Kemudian yang terakhir hari ini kita melakukan penanaman, jadi setelah melakukan pemilihan bibit yang layak, ada 9 jenis bibit yang kita tanam. Kemudian kita hari ini melakukan aksi bersama, dan kebetulan hari ini adalah puncak hari lingkungan hidup, jadi sekaligus kita memperingati lingkungan hidup, jadi untuk menanam, untuk iklim, dan untuk masa depan. Konservasi itu tidak bisa berdiri sendiri, jadi butuh kolaborasi antara pemerintah, masyarakat, dan perusahaan. Dan kebetulan ada Jebsen & Jesen yang mendukung kegiatan konservasi di Waikambas ini sangat mendukung manfaatnya bagi kelestarian Taman Nasional dan juga manfaat bagi masyarakat sekitar. Selain saya bekerja untuk WCS, saya sebagai warga Lampung Timur itu mengucapkan banyak terima kasih atas kerjasama antara Indonesia, pemerintah Indonesia, Kementerian Kehutanan, dan yang didukung oleh WCS. Dan di sini ada Jebsen & Jesen yang mendukung kegiatan konservasi di Taman Nasional Waikambas dan juga bermanfaat bagi kegiatan sosial di masyarakat.
Terima kasih ya.
WCS,
we stand for
Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Nulfred Torres. I'm from Jebsen & Jesen, Philippines. So the 5 days, I feel like we did something impactful to the community, to the Waikambas National Park. Second, so I felt that sense of strong community helping each other accomplish things, from building the huts, watchtower, planting trees, and preparing the nursery facility. And lastly, the word grounded. I felt grounded in this mission because I got to really be one of the community, at the same time be grounded that life should be lived with purpose, and we should always think not just ourselves but also to the community, to the wildlife, to everyone around us.
My name is Fernanda. I'm from Brazil. I know that will be a Fernanda that was before and a Fernanda after this program, because I think it will change also the way I see natural life, the hardworking conservations and protect not just the elephants but the all wild animals. So it's good to see and good to be part of this. I have two main favorite activities in this program. I think the first one was to say the community smile. That was my favorite part of this program, because I saw them very happy that we were here to help, and see them help us to do whatever we are doing was quite nice. And also do the group activities. So all these activities we did together. So I'm not good in group activities, so I need to learn also. So it's quite good that I need to develop new skills. Being a group was quite nice. It doesn't matter if we were just building a tower, that was quite interesting. Do the watch spot or the nursery facility we are doing. I think the nursery was quite special because we all together and we all full-time occupied, hands occupied, so it's quite nice. I'm sure that will be memorable the rest of my life.
I'm Jordan Huey from Australia. I work as IT support at SafeTech. I'm 23 years old. I very much enjoyed putting together the wooden watch post. It was very satisfying to work with my hands and put it all together. My understanding is we're building watch posts and lookout towers so that the local farmers can spot elephants when they're nearby and keep an eye on them. And the watch posts will also be used as resting areas for the farmers, so that they get extra benefit for it.
Hi, I'm Elaine from Singapore. I feel this is an amazing trip and unforgettable journey for me. I mean, the program and activity is being programmed is very, very good and organized. So I'm glad that I learned a lot through this journey. Thanks to the WCS team and the community for the caring dedication to us. And last but not least, the food that community cooked for us is very, very delicious. And I cannot forget the samba. I'm going to order back, you know. If got a chance, you guys must join. Register, meet a need.
Okay, so I invite you to come and join the program next time, because it's really memorable what we will learn here, the community, the spirit of the community, a lot of food, a lot of good food also. So you can enjoy, you can not just hard work, but you also talk a lot, you know a lot about different cultures. So it's quite very, very interesting.
For the future volunteers, please join us and make a difference.
So you have only one life, why not use it? So join Meet a Need. I'm looking forward to welcome all of you.
Join.